हब में पहली बार एक मुनज़्ज़म इदारा चैलेंजर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज एकेडमी। तमाम लेवल के इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज क्लासेस।
First of all, I'd like to tell you something about background of Challenger English Language Learning Academy Hub. That we have established this academy over in Hub City. Over there, I have taught students for many years, but because of the lack of interest of parents, because uneducated parents, they were unaware about the importance of this language. But I tried for my best. Nowadays, we have good atmosphere in this Challenger Academy. We have started different programs, especially tuition classes for the kids and English language classes for morning and evening shift, and even we have a professional classes. English is the need of time. You cannot deny the value of education, the value of English language. English language is like a storeroom. All languages, all subjects are linked to it. And recently we have started entry test of BNC medical colleges as well as engineering, because many students when they come here, they are even unaware about the alphabet ABC of this language. Inshallah, we are trying, and we will not stop this journey, and we will carry on it. The days are not far away whenever every kid of student of Hub City will begin to speak English language, and inshallah it will be a great success of us and our staff. We can't say that we are perfect, but we are trying for our best. Thank you very much.
तुलबा व तालिबात के लिए अलग क्लासेस का इंतजाम।
I'm learning here in the building classes, and I'm satisfied from our academy, our teacher, our staff members, as well as atmosphere. And I'm also willing to admission in BMC entry test, which is going to start here. And I also want to say that I pray for the bright future of our academy. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I am Arvin. I am student in Challenger English. I am satisfied with this education. Our teachers are very hard workers. So I pray of God to the success of academy. I want students come and join this academy if you want success.
ऑडियो और वीडियो क्लासेस की सहूलियात के साथ।
I'm the student of Challenger Academy Hub. My name is Sajjad Hussain. Challenger Academy is playing a good role in our hub city, and because English language is the necessity of this world, and there is a very good atmosphere of English language, and there are well experienced teachers, so we will have to learn this language. Brilliant job being done by our experienced teachers. I cannot express by my words. It's such a good academy.
मेरा नाम जान बलोच है। मैं तकरीबन 26 साल से इस रेस्टोरेंट हनी फूड को चला रहा हूँ। जिस तरह कावल जी ने स्कूल बनाया, इसी तरह मैं समझता हूँ आने वाला कावल जी से भी आगे ये जो हुसैन मरी साहब है, इसको आगे इस इदारे को ले जाएंगे। मेरा ये चैलेंज है पूरी कराची के लोगों के लेवल पे। मेरी ये बच्चियां, बेटियां और ये किसी से पीछे नहीं है। शुक्रिया।
केजी क्लासेस से लेकर 12वीं जमात तक के तमाम मज़ामीन। मेडिकल और इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस के एंट्री टेस्ट की तैयारी, तजुर्बाकार प्रोफेसर्स की ज़ेर निगरानी। बच्चों के लिए स्पेशल क्लासेस।
My name is Faria. My father name is Qazi Bashir Ahmed. My center name is Challenger English Language Academy. My name is Simran. My father name is Lokram. My center name is Challenger Academy English Language.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the beginning name of Allah, who is Lord of the Lords and King of the Kings. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Shaida Asqani. I'm one of the most senior student of this academy. My academy name is Challenger Academy, and my most senior teachers who taught me in a good way, he is our great teacher Sir Hussain, as well as other teachers. This academy is very excellent academy from all angles. If we see those students who even could not speak a single word in front of anybody, but now they are that much able to speak anything in front of all. They can fight in any way.
My name is Asif Asli and I am student of Challenger Academy. The importance of English language cannot be denied, and its superiorness cannot be expressed in words. Even it cannot be expressed in words. So in order to be prosper in future, and for that purpose Challenger has announced morning classes, evening class and night classes in the academy. Here Challenger has also announced coaching classes for biology, chemistry and physics for students of science group, and now recently Challenger has announced preparation for medical college as well as engineering college preparation. So medical is also preparing those persons who want to join medical colleges or engineering colleges for the betterment of their future. And Challenger has also started coaching classes for students of matric level and for students of intermediate. But the main and special goal of Challenger Academy is to prevail the knowledge of English, without which one cannot lead a prosperous life. So Challenger is especially established to prevail the knowledge of English language.
I am Salma Jalal. I am working here as in charge. The environment of this academy is very good. There are many classes, kids languages, kids tuition, and especially separate classes for girls. I am satisfied of this academy. I pray to Allah that Almighty Allah keeps, leads and bounds this academy.
इंग्लिश ग्रेजुएशन लेवल के साथ साथ एमए लिटरेचर के लिए स्पेशल गाइडलाइन, सिर्फ हफ्ता और इतवार।
I'm Mr. Ibrahim. First of all, I would like to warn you that Challenger Academy is the first organized in Hub City, and the teachers are really hardworking, and the staff is very cooperative and hard worker. And by all means, I pray for the Challenger Academy for the bright future. Thank you.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, ये सादत हमें नसीब हुई कि हमने चैलेंजर लैंग्वेज एकेडमी हब के वस्त शहर में अपने सीनियर साथियों के साथ इसका बाकायदा आगाज़ कर चुके हैं। अक्टूबर 2009 में हम सुबह 8 बजे से रात 9 बजे तक अपने सीनियर साथियों के साथ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज एकेडमी में क्लासेस तलबा और तालबात के लिए हर 1.5 घंटे की मुख्तलिफ क्लासेस का बाकायदा आगाज़ कर चुके हैं, और इनके साथ साथ कोचिंग की क्लासों का भी बाकायदा आगाज़ कर चुके हैं।
आपके बच्चों का रोशन मुस्तकबिल, चैलेंजर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज एकेडमी। हमारा पता है बल्दिया रोड, हब, नस जंगलात ऑफिस, लसबेला, बलूचिस्तान। मजीद मालूमात के लिए इन नंबर्स पर कॉल करें।